So I'm going to show you how to fix Snapchat support code SS06. So it's really easy. The first step is to make sure that your login details are right. So this error occurs when you're unable to log in to your Snapchat or many things. So if you're not using your correct login information, that can happen. The next step is to just wait for 48 hours before trying to log in again. So there may be some problems with the server, but they would be fixed within 48 hours. So make sure you do that. And another step is to just check your internet connection. So make sure that it is with a good internet connection. And the next step is to just open your App Store or Play Store and make sure that the Snapchat is up to date. So as you can see, it is yet to be updated. Just go ahead and tap on update and it will start updating. The other step is to just clear your Snapchat cache. You could also try logging in from a different device. That is also possible and it may work. The another step is to just open any browser that you have and now tap on Down Detector. And you can see at the top it's right over here, and once you tap here, search for Snapchat and you can see the service status of Snapchat. So in this way you could figure out if the problem is with your phone or your login information or Snapchat itself. So it says that there are no current problems with Snapchat. So if you have a problem with Snapchat, you can try to log in or server connection. So in this way you would be able to fix Snapchat support code SS06.
I hope this video was helpful for you. Please subscribe to our channel if you want more helpful tutorials like these, and leave a comment down below to let us know what sort of videos that you would like. Thank you for watching.